busy has become a new way of living, so we invented a smarter way of cleaning. Introducing the BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with smart tech sensing features. AutoSense helps you power through your cleaning by automatically adjusting suction from bare floors to thick carpet, so you get more power when you need it and longer battery life too. Battery Sense shows you how much battery remains, so you know how much longer you can clean before you need to recharge. And Filter Sense alerts you when it's time to clean the filter, so you continue to get maximum performance. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech is super convenient for those hard-to-reach spots and those easy-to-miss places. With a long-lasting lithium-ion battery, you can move from room to room without the hassle of a cord. The BLACK+DECKER 2-in-1 cordless stick and hand vacuum with Smart Tech sensing features is affordable and now available at your favorite stores. Clean smarter, not harder.
When it comes to cleaning up, every job has different requirements. When you require portable power, the RIDGID 4-gallon wet-dry vac is just what you need. The 5.0 peak horsepower motor is the same powerhouse used in vacuums that are 3 times its size. Attach the 7-foot tug-along locking hose that won't pull loose during use. Choose the dusting brush or claw nozzle, conveniently stored on board. The perfectly positioned power switch lets you go right after the mess. You'll also appreciate the easy-to-open latches for quick access to the drum and the quick lock filter that simply snaps on and off for easy cleaning and is great for everyday dirt. When the job's done, wrap the extra-long 20-foot power cord around the easy-to-carry handle and store the compact vac almost anywhere. It comes with RIDGID's industry-leading limited lifetime warranty that gives you peace of mind. The RIDGID 4-gallon, portable power and durability in one compact package.
Hi, I'm Jennifer, and today I have a very unique product that I want to tell you about. This impressive toolbox is actually the Workshop 4.5-gallon wet-dry contractor vac. Its compact toolbox design, with folding soft grip handle, is lightweight and portable. What's great about this rectangular design is that it's easy to stack or just store compactly in a closet. Its internal storage system is pretty handy, and it keeps the high-quality accessories, hose, and 20-foot power cord organized and easy to get to. You'll never lose anything, because the only thing more annoying than a lost nozzle is the cheap nozzles you get from those other guys. It's really cool how the locking wands just attach to the back. They just snap into place. This compact 2-foot hose extends to a full 7 feet, giving you lots of reach. And thanks to the quick release tab, it locks securely into the side of the vac and won't come loose during use. That's pretty awesome. The powerful 5 peak horsepower motor drives 171 max air watts, which is a lot of power, especially for a unit this size. These easy-to-open latches allow for quick access to the drum and access to the quick lock filter, which snaps on and off for cleaning or replacement. It's so easy. There's no hassle of extra tools or parts required by so many of those other guys. Believe me, this kind of power, durability, and organization, it's hard to find. Oh, as an added bonus, you can plug the hose into this blower port and use it to clear out your workspace or get the leaves off your deck. And like with every workshop vac, the motor is among the longest lasting in the industry, which is why we confidently back all of our products with the Workshop 5-year limited warranty and the best customer service in the business. Suck it up! Get it done. Workshop.